Abdul Qadir? Where are you, Abdul Qadir? Okay, he's coming. He knows the back. You also here for the first time. Your name again? Wajahat. Sorry, I may not remember everybody's name, but we'll call you by your car name if we cannot recollect your name. The more frequently you come, the more our chances to remember you. So, Abdul Qadir, you're a newbie. All the newbies come forward. I'm doing this for you. Yeah? So, welcome to Free Spirits. Thank you again for showing up. This is a fun drive. We do a lot of relaxed drives, and today we intend to explore the Pink Rock area. In the Pink Rock area, we have some areas which are a bit steep, so I would like to explain to you some rules of the game. My name is Sanjay. I'm the lead marshal today. We are also accompanied by Sudeep, by Mr. Shazad, and Basim. We four are marshals. Will be your help points today, if in case you need any help, depending on your positions. Whoever is the closest to you will contact you. Be available on the radio. If any of you need advice on how to use the radio, please do ask now. I've helped a few of you who wanted to set the frequency. So 444 777 is the frequency. And you can always press the button while you're talking, release the button when you want to hear. If you keep the button engaged, nobody can hear anybody. Yeah? So release the button. This is for the new guys who have not used the radio before. Deflation, depending on the tire pressure, we expect 12 to 15 psi. Some of you, we saw different kind of tires, so we advise you to increase or decrease. So we've done a physical inspection, everything looks okay. But if you're finding difficulty while driving, please announce so that we can come and help you guys. So this is the Pink Rock area. We will be driving towards Big Red and we will be exiting from there. Big Red is a very difficult dune. I will not ask any of the newbies to attempt it today. So the idea is to relax at the Pink Rock. This is our destination. And then we go down through a little bit of a challenging area, which will be a learning exercise for the newbies. It will be fairly simple. There's no anxiety. There are a few rules that we need to understand. We have momentum and gravity as our two friends. Momentum is required to climb. Momentum means accelerate, and decline. Whenever you're going down a hill, you need to be in a lower gear. By being in a lower gear, the intention is that you're trying to maintain low speeds so that you control your vehicle and you don't hit the person in front of you. Also, 4 to 5 cars gap, always between you to maintain secure, a proper, good distance, to maintain safety. All of you have safety flags?
Yes.
Right? Good. Safety flags are a must. Radio is a must. If you have recovery ropes, it will be helpful. If you get stuck, we can get you out. Otherwise, ask for one. One of the marshals will come and help you to recover, basically. I will just show you some basics of the game. Basically, you have dune formations like this. Today, we will be just doing a basic drive. So we might just go up the dune and then come back down. We won't be doing any ridging. This is called ridging when you go on top of the dune. We also switch. We go up the dune and then we go on the left. So we won't be doing anything advanced today. We'll be just practicing on the dunes to set our hands free on the desert, and then we go down. Some areas where I need you to accelerate, I'll announce on the radio. You need to keep your foot on the accelerator, keeping a safe distance so that you can climb a challenging area. Sometimes there's no other way. If I see that you are unable to do it, I might announce that one of the persons on the street will bring you to an easier way. I'll try my best to keep the drive as simple as possible today. Also, in terms of a surprise for the new guys, we do breakfast. So this is going to be a relaxed drive. We will have breakfast. We will also end with nice views on the top of the hill. So enjoy this day. If you have any questions, ask now. We will begin the drive. Okay? Gravity is your friend. So do not defy gravity. When you are going up, basically do not try to push your vehicle to go beyond its capacity. If your vehicle is not giving you enough power, come back down. Do not fight gravity. If you fight gravity, your vehicle might roll. So gravity is your friend. Always remember that. That's the best rule, the only rule that you have to always remember. Keep safe distance.
Don't worry if you have